Cat people, how are you today? I am Catlady Antigoni and today we are doing a makeup for brown eyes. As you can see from the title, in this makeup I'm gonna give you some ideas about what makeups you can do if you have brown eyes, like me, how to enhance the color, how you can make them look brighter and even more beautiful than they are. Also, I'm gonna cover some color theory things and why I'm choosing the colors that I'm choosing. So, if you're interested about this topic, let's start! I'm gonna base today's look in two colors, basically a turquoise and a brown. For the turquoise, I'm taking this palette. This is the Spectral palette from Linda Hallberry. And I'm gonna take this shade right here. This is called Phantom. Actually, it's the first time that I'm using this palette, so it's gonna be a mini review as well, if you're interested. I'm gonna take this brush right here, and I will make sure that I will cover not half the eye, half and the upper part of the eye. The brown that I will be using will be from this palette right here. This is the Norms from Aden's Eye. And I'm gonna choose this shade down here, which is called Pragmatism. I think that I might say it with a little bit of Greek accent. Sorry, it's actually a Greek word. Excuse me. I'm gonna take this fluffy but small brush. This is from Glam Shop 0119. I'm gonna take an amount and I will start doing it. Time to shape the crease, and for this I'm gonna use a brown pencil like the Spicy from Morphe, and basically I'm gonna draw my crease and I will smoke it out. As I said, I wanna smoke out my pencil a little bit, and for this reason I'm gonna use a darker brown. So I'm gonna take this palette right here. This is from London Copyright, the Palace, and I'm gonna choose the shade, let me see the name, Cordial. This is a very nice deeper brown, so I'm gonna shade. Can you guess the next step here? Look at the eye and guess. So yeah, if you said cut the crease, that is actually correct. So I have my P. base right here, and actually I have it in 0, which is the lightest color. Basically it's a white, because I feel that every shadow performs better if my eye base is white. So let's apply it and let's play. I will continue by using the same colors but at the opposite order. So, at the inner corner I will use the turquoise, and at the outer corner I will use the brown, but maybe I'm thinking something lighter because in the end it was way too dark. So I have my palette going coconuts and I will inform you which one I will choose. To be honest, I haven't made my mind yet about how I want to continue with my browns. So firstly, I'm gonna use from Going Coconuts, which is quite used by now, this shade right here, which is called Culada, and then I will darken it up, probably with the same shade from Aden's Eye. The reason that I'm not going directly with the dark brown is because I don't really want to start with something that I cannot correct very easily, and I'm thinking that if I start by a lighter base, then every correction will be smoother and blend it out very nicely. In my inner corner, I'm gonna apply this pencil right here. This is from NYX Professional Makeup and its name is Baby Blue. Why is it baby blue? This is clearly a very nice pastel turquoise with shimmer. I don't get the name, but I'm gonna apply it because it's a very nice pencil. Like, it's definitely one of my favorites from NYX. For the bottom part of my eye, I'm gonna basically continue with the same idea. So the inner part will be turquoise and the outer part will be brown. And I'm gonna use exactly the same eyeshadow, so no need to mention them. So the eye look is done. And the extra steps that I actually did was A, to put eyeliner, B, to put false lashes, and nothing more. Next step is to prime my face with my absolute favorite primer from NYX Professional Makeup, the Marshmallow. I'm gonna apply an amount on my hand and I'm gonna tell you why I chose this makeup today. So it's a fact that actually turquoise enhances the brown of the eyes and complements them, and it makes them look amazingly shiny. And also another color that could work exactly the same is the lilac. So turquoise and lilac as a combination will be perfect for brown eyes. But yeah, I chose to use brown because I wanted to keep this look in a more wearable side, because I know you don't get to see a lot of wearable looks in this channel, but hey, this is me, you know. I love color, I love weird shapes, I love more editorial makeup and stuff like that. Also, I feel that this foxy effect that I gave to my eyes, it's not only complement my brown eyes, and this foxy shape might be a little bit irrelevant with the color, but I feel that it actually complements all the eye colors, so I wanted to have something like that in my channel, like actually how to complement both the color and the shape of brown eyes at the same video. What do you think about that? Do you want to see more makeups like for other eye shapes or other eye colors? For foundation today, I decided to choose this one right here. This is from Love Art, a Norwegian indie brand, and I feel that this is kind of unique. Like, I love the packaging first of all, and I love the application, so I'm opening it. This is a sponge actually, which makes me so interested in this product. I have the other one right here. I'm doing the tap move. It's buildable, so I'm starting to apply it on my face. I will add some liquid highlighter. This is from Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Light Wand. It's an amazing highlighter. Unfortunately, I haven't found it in a colder shade. This is very golden, so if you're not going for something golden, I think that this might be a trouble for you. On the top, I'm gonna use my powder highlighter, and actually this is my own highlighter. I made this highlighter by myself, and if you have missed this video, I'm gonna leave a link down below because it's a very nice and fun video and you need to see it, because I'm actually thinking to create a part 2 where I'm making my own blush, and I don't know, I want your opinion about that as well. Are you interested in this? Did you actually like the other one, or is it just in my mind, you know? Did I mention that I'm wearing the concealer from Kosas, and actually I set it with this powder right here. This is from Hourglass, the Veil Translucent Setting Powder, and actually I know that I never mentioned the name, but today is your day. Today you know the full name of this powder. On my cheeks I have from Patrick Ta, She's So LA. This is a blush duo. Basically it contains a cream blush and then a powder blush, and I'm always using them together. They have the perfect result for me. So I'm moving on to the bronzer, and for this I'm gonna use, a lash. This one right here. This is from Sunkissed, the Living the Dream Glow. I'm gonna take a good amount because today we're at the sexy side, and I'm gonna bronze my face. After I have applied a lot of powder, I'm gonna take these pearls right here, and I will try to create a fake piercing here at my eyebrow area. Let's see what's gonna happen. And now it's time for the Greek word of the day. As you have probably understood by now, today we are emphasizing on the brown eyes. So what else could have been? Today I'm gonna tell you the word for brown. So in Greek we say kafe. Say it with me. Kafe. It's very easy, it's like coffee, because coffee is also kafes in Greek. So as always, I'm gonna ask you to try to write a comment down below using the word cafe, or you can say cafe in your own native language. Come on people, let's have some fun! Time for the lips. So as you can see, I tried a lot of lipsticks to understand what is more proper for this look, and I decided to go with a combo. Basically, both the lip pencil and the lipstick will be from Glam Shop, a Polish indie brand if you don't know by now. So the pencil will be the milk chocolate right here, and then I will go on with actually the lipstick is also named milk chocolate, so it's this one right here, and let's apply them. Ooh, the lips are looking so different on me, so why not? I'm gonna give myself a lip piercing as well. So I'm gonna take again my pearls right here. I'm gonna apply some glue, basically 2 dots, and then I will put a pearl on my lips in order to create a fake piercing. Oh, what do you think about the piercing? Do you like them? Also, I don't want to forget to tell you that if you want to see some close-ups from this look, you can always visit me at my Instagram page. This is gonna be Catlady Antigoni, around here, I think down at the screen, as usual. And also, you can subscribe to this channel for more content. And that was it for today. I hope that you enjoyed the video. I hope that you found some interesting ideas about makeup for people with brown eyes. If yes, don't forget to give this video a big like. Again, thank you so much for being here with me today. See you next time. Until then, bye bye!